All right, guys, welcome to our room. A lot of room here. We're on a corner, so it's shaped a little differently than we've seen. So we have like all this room to like leave our luggage and stuff, which is actually a perk. Hooks, awesome. And then I guess this is the bathroom door. Let's open it up. Oh wow, even the bathroom's a lot bigger. Ha. So I think I have to put my key in to get the light on. Let's see if that works. Let me go put in the key. You see here we have to put in the key. Oh, wrong way. Ah, lights. Camera's action. And now, ba-da! All right, so I was expecting a glass door, so that's a little bit of a wah, but the bathroom is a lot bigger than other rooms. Nice sink, clean, 2 glasses. Hey. Our toilet and our shower. And of course, there's the soap and our clothes hanger. So this is big. Like 3 people can fit in here. So here we go. Now, we thought that we were gonna be getting a sofa. Instead, we have a bunk bed. We will tell you if this is a pro or a con. But the room itself is very spacious because we're on a corner. Here is our very large closet. They seem smaller in the videos we've seen. And the lights and the bed. Now these are 2 twin beds pushed together to be a king. And let's go under. Up, to see, a really big. I'll take the bunk bed. Now there's a child lock that you have to unlock, and then open to a really big balcony. Now, wow, this is huge. We have 2 loungers, 2 chairs, and a little footstool. I mean, we can have parties in here. We're still docked at Port Canaveral, but oh my God, this is awesome. So, of course, we'll take some video once we're sailing to show you the views. Right now, this is our view. But again, we are in room 2088, I think. So it's a corner lot, and that is why it looks a little different. I don't know if this is going to be an issue for my little guy, but the room itself is really big, the bathroom is really big, and the balcony is really big. I mean, the actual usual balcony is a quarter of this. It just fits the 2 chairs and footstool. So, guys, everything looks really clean as well. I mean, it seems like this might be like an accessible room, like a wheelchair accessible room, and that's why there's a ramp here as well. So that might be the case of why this room is so big and the bathroom is so big. And of course there's 2 European plugs, 1 USB, and the only 2 plugs in the room, which may be really far from the bed. And anyone that has a sleep apnea machine and needs that plug, There's none on the sides of the bed. So you might have to get an extension cord. 2 hooks on the door as well. There's a mini bar, but I think it's locked unless you recommend. Oh no, it's not. Let's see what's in the mini bar. Oh, it's stocked, guys. With nuts and Pringles, all kinds of juices and Cokes, and booze. So, anyway, guys, that is the room. We'll tell you how we like it in further reviews. We got a lot in store, so like, subscribe, and see you all later.